In a lush, green forest, where sunlight danced through the canopy, lived a humble farmer named Tom. He worked tirelessly, tending to his crops with great care. However, his harvest was not as bountiful as he had hoped. One day, as he walked through the forest, he came across a hill teeming with tiny, industrious creatures, leafcutter ants. They were meticulously cutting leaves and carrying them back to their colony. Intrigued, Tom approached the hill and watched as the ants worked. He noticed a fungus growing in the heart of their colony, nourished by the leaves the ants brought. A thought struck him: the ants were farming. Tom, inspired by the ants' industriousness, decided to learn from them. He started collecting leaves and created a fungus garden in his own home. To his surprise, his crops began to flourish, just like the ants' fungus garden. News of Tom's success spread throughout the forest, and other farmers began to emulate his method. The forest became a vibrant, bountiful place, and Tom became a respected figure among his peers. However, Tom never forgot the lesson the ants had taught him. He always shared his harvest with the leafcutter ants, recognizing that they had been his first teachers. In the end, Tom understood that sometimes, the smallest creatures can teach us the biggest lessons. The ants' simple act of farming had transformed his life, reminding him that wisdom can be found in the most unexpected places. And so, Tom lived out the rest of his days in harmony with nature, always open to learning and growth, just like the industrious leafcutter ants.